So Bitcoin outlook, and let's see what we can expect with Bitcoin next week. So as you can see, it's still on a downtrend, and ito nga yung mention ko with my previous outlook, it's still gonna continue to move sideways, no, until touches here at the top of the trend line before it goes down. And what we can expect is that it can bounce or mag-end siya at around 50,000. It's a psychological level. So from there, uh, yeah, we can expect another sideways movement until it reaches the top of the trend line. So that's what we are expecting kapag walang break, no? Kapag hindi nabi-break yung mga nagawa nating channel or trend line. So if this happened, yeah, okay. So pag ito yung nangyari, yeah, we can expect na it can somehow go back to 100,000. And this is our target kapag bumasag siya pataas, no? So if before that, we can expect at around 86, no? So we are currently at 70, so 86, medyo malaki-laki pa yan, no? Malaki-laki movement pa yan. So from here, if hindi niya yan mabasag, then we can expect that it can still go back down here. So right now, we can continue buying, but with a limited outside upside, no? But we are looking at around 75 as sell limit order. Around 75,000. And from there, at 75, we can target this 63 and even 60. Target 63,000 to 60. So, paiksi na lang natin, no? Ayan. And of course, our stop here would be at the top of 75, so around 77, 78, or even actually 81, no? So kung gusto natin medyo malaking leeway, and kung kaya naman na account natin, so why not? But of course, yun, medyo luwagan lang natin, no? Wag tayong tumodo ng lot size dyan, no? So Bitcoin is very wild, and unless you are used to it na taas ng lot size with a small um, upside or movement, then you can do so. So that's what we are expecting, targeting 50. Okay, so around here. So let's see if meron siyang tatamaan dito. So for sure 50 is very o, diba? So takto. Ayan. So we are at a 1 day, and it's on. Ayan. Possible, no? And then nandito tayo sa resistance area. So again, it can also go if it's going to break structure, no, it can still um, do some sideways movement from here. And once it landed here, it can go down there. So something like that, no? So we're not expecting a really big move, and this could be our chance. If you are in a spot market, then you can accumulate and do cost averaging. But if not, if you are into leverage trading, which you can trade a Bitcoin with Vantage Market, so nandiyan lang yung link yan sa bio natin. And well, we do also have trade ideas, trade signals with our Telegram community, so you can check that out. And yun from here, That's what we are expecting. So let's see if it's going to be fulfilled next week. So that's it, guys, for our Bitcoin outlook. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.